Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. I had did a part 1 to this video, basically prepping my hair with the Aztec Clay Indian mask, as well as deep conditioning my hair with grease. And you can watch that video to like let you know how, it was like or whatever. But this is the part 2 to that video, actually installing my protective styling in. So let me show you the colors that I have in my hair. I wanted to go for like a more tribal look, so I wanted to do like different colors. I got 6, 13, 30, and 27. So you can't see because of the shirt, but let you see a little bit. So we got 27 here, we have 30, we have 6, 13, and then we have regular standard black. So these are the 4 colors that I use. So today we're going to be using good old Shine and Gem. And we're also going to be using Expression Hair. This is the regular 84-inch Expression Hair. Because although pre-stretched hair is good to work with, I honestly don't like the fact that it looks thin when you put it in. And I wanted to go for that fuller look. So I used the regular one, and I just had to deal with the, the problem that it comes with. But, alright, we just have these two. I'm going to show you up close basically how I do them. So I like to coat my whole hair before I start doing it, just so as I'm doing it, it could be even more slicked into the braid. So basically, I'm going to split this into 3. I'm going to braid once. I'm going to braid twice. The piece of hair. I'm just going to add it in between my thumb and just slide it in there. And continue braiding. We'll braid again till I have my real hair on this side. Then I'm going to add another piece the same way. So just slide it in between and just continue braiding. Like I said, I wanted this to be really thick. So I'm going to keep adding till I get the thickness that I want. And as I'm doing this, I am going to keep having Shine and Gel on my fingers so that it can even be more slick. And bada bop boop. See that? Don't worry about this white stuff. It's just the Shine and Gel, and that's how we're going to do it. So you want to take a piece that's kind of long like this, separate it out from the braid like that. All you want to do is wrap it around the braid, tie a knot so that, boom, that's not it. And I just do this a couple times until I feel like it's very, very secure. It's been times where, like, when I first started braiding my hair, I would do it like once, but then like over time it would start to unravel because that one little knot eventually came out. So I do this about 5 to 6 times. I'm pretty sure 3 is enough, but it's just my OCD now. And obviously you want to go ahead and, I know it's not focused, but y'all see what I mean. You can go ahead and like cut off the imperfections. Done. I'm done. So if you're asking why these look like this, I did my box braids pretty big. So I don't know, I was just going for the kind of jumbo look. I didn't want the thin knotless braids. I wanted them to look thick. Like, I just like Oh, they're just so cute. They're so cute. Okay, so next I am going to look at that. That's just so cute to me. So I am going to boil the ends. This is kind of, I'm not going to show this part because I feel like it's kind of self-explanatory. But long story short, I'm going to just dip these raglio ends. I'm going to dip these ends in hot boiling water. Make sure you're safe when you're doing this, you know. And I'll be back to show you guys the final product and how I lay everything else down.